Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Today our topic is number line. We all know that natural numbers are counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Whole numbers are natural numbers including 0, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And what are integers? Integers are negative of natural numbers together with whole numbers. You all know how to draw a number line. Here you can see the number line where I have plotted the numbers. These are integers. In the right side of 0, these are positive integers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And in the left side of 0, these are negative integers. They are -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. In our previous class, we learned to compare the numbers using number line, to arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order using the number line. Today our topic is addition of numbers using a number line. So let's start the addition using number line. For example, here you can see this is a number line and here is 7 plus 1. We have to add 7 with 1 using the number line. You all know 7 plus 1 equals 8. But how can we solve by using number line? Let's see. Here the first number is 7. So first we shall start from 0. As 7 is a positive integer, so we move from 0 towards the right side, that means the positive side, and we move 7 units. As you can see here, the green line indicates that we moved 7 units towards the right side of 0, as the first number is 7. Now the second number is plus 1, that means it is also a positive number. So after 7 we shall move towards the right, not the left. Right, because 1 is also a positive number. So moving to 1 unit, we got the result 8. You can see the green line, green arrow, it is on plus 8. So the result is plus 8. Is it hard? I think no, it is very easy. Coming to the second example. Here given 7 plus -4. So the first number is 7 and it is a positive number. So first we start from 0 and move 7 units towards the right side of 0, that means the positive side of 0. You can see the green arrow, it moves towards the positive side of 0 to 7 units. Next, the second number is -4, that means it is a negative number. So next we shall start from plus 7 towards the left. up to 4 units, as the second number is -4. You can see the red arrow from 7, starting from 7, we move towards the left side up to 4 units and got the result 3 plus 3. You can see the 3 is on the right side of 0, so it is plus 3. So the answer of 7 plus -4 is plus 3. Hope you all can understand. Now coming to the third example, plus 3, 3 means the plus 3 plus -9. So plus 3 means we shall start from 0 towards the right side of 0 for 3 units. The green arrow indicates it. You all can see. Next, -9. -9 means starting from 3, we shall move towards the left side up to 9 units. Here the red arrow indicates that starting from 3, we move towards the left up to 9 units and got the result -6. Hope it is clear to you. Now remember, if you have more negatives than positives, here plus 3 plus -9, that means negative is more than the positive. So the answer will be negative, as you can see. The answer is -6, that means it is a negative answer. But if both the numbers are positive, here 7 and 1 both are positive, your answer is positive. If both the numbers are positive, then the answer will be positive. Now another example, -5 plus 12. Here the first number is -5. It is a negative number. So starting from 0, we move towards the left. That means toward the negative side up to 5 units. You can see the red arrow indicates it. Now the second number is plus 12. Plus 12 means positive number. So starting from -5, we move towards the right side up to 12 units. You can see the green arrow indicates it. Starting from -5, we move towards the right side, that means the positive side, up to 12 units and got the result +7. So remember, if you have more positives than negative, here negative is 5 and positive is 12. So positive is more than the negative. So your answer will be positive. Now coming to another example. -4 plus -5. Here both the numbers are negative, as you can see, -4 and -5. Now as the first number is -4, we shall start from 0 and move towards the negative side, that means the left side, up to 4 units. The red arrow indicates it. You can see. Now the second number is -5. It is also a negative number. So starting from -4, we shall move towards again left side. Again left side up to 5 units. You all can see. And got the result -9. Hope the picture is very clear to you. This shows that if both the numbers are negative, your final answer will be negative. If both the numbers are positive, then final number is positive. If both the number is negative, then final answer is negative. Now, coming to another example. -3 plus -2 plus 4. So, what should we do? First, the first number is -3. So, starting from 0 towards the left side, that means the negative side, we move up to 3 units. Next, -2. That means starting from -3 to the left side up to 2 units. We get -5. Next is +4. That means we shall have to move on the right side. As you can see, the green arrow indicates it. From -5 we shall move towards the right side up to 4 units and got the result -1. Coming to another example. -1 plus 7 plus -6. So the first number is negative. So starting from 0, we move towards the left up to 1 unit. That means -1. Now +7. +7 means starting from -1, we shall move towards the right side up to 7 unit and got +6. Now again -6. -6 means again the left side and 6 unit. So from +6 we move towards left up to 6 unit and got the result 0. So using the number line, addition is very easy. I think all are clear to you. You have to remember a few things. If there are more positives, the answer is positive. If the numbers have the same sign, add them and keep the sign. If both the numbers have positive sign, then the answer will be positive. If both the numbers are of negative sign, then the answer will be negative. Now, if there are more negatives, the answer will be negative. So it is very easy. I think all are clear to you. That's all today. Thank you.